And this leads me to this mortar. Don't be worried, this is not going to be a food channel. No, what I want to do is bike camping and bike packing into the wild. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess here, I'm not gonna lie. What's up guys? Welcome to new year and welcome to new video. It's 2021 and for this video I want to talk about what I'm up to in this year. So what plans I'm gonna have and what you can expect on this channel to watch. So let's dive straight into it. And in order to make this not too boring, I will also throw in some other footage. And we're also going to go later in the shed because there are a few more projects lying ahead of us in this year. It's actually the first time maybe that I do that, just talking in front of the camera. So maybe we're going to do that more often, who knows. There's the microphone, by the way. I think it's good. I hope you had a good 2020, even though it was kind of a shitty year, let's be honest. But it was a very good year for this channel. I think we came from 60 subscribers in January 2020 to now 260 subscribers in January 2021. So that's absolutely awesome. Also, there were a few bikes that we accumulated in this year. So I started this year with the Shirley Pacer, unpainted though. It still had the kind of blue-gray color on it. So we painted it this year. It was a very nice, fun project, which took a lot of time to do. And also we started the year also with the Raleigh Record Sprint, which is just behind the 30-year-old steel bike from Nottingham. And then you can see the other three bikes here in this room, which we bought this year and which we restored. One of these bikes you're still unfamiliar with, and that is the Giant Speederlite. Absolutely gorgeous bike from the 90s. It's almost restored. Only a few things that we still have to do. Let me show you. Basically, only thing we have left to do is put these white nice rubbers on and then it's gonna be done. Absolutely stunning. So you haven't seen any of this bike yet, but you will see that. Don't want to promise, but I think it's gonna get out next Monday. So stay tuned for that. Bike restoration was a fun project. So this is one thing I want to do is more bike restorations. So definitely that's one point. I think I've also made a few more points. This is 2021 for me. So what I want to do, this leads me to this mortar. Don't be worried, this is not going to be a food channel. No, what I want to do is bike camping and bike packing into the wild. I don't think I'm going to put this in any bag of my bikes because it's just heavy as fuck. Very much looking forward to getting into bike packing and bike camping. So I still need to get gear, so I need a tent and many other things basically. And I also need some racks. I need to figure out which bikes I actually can use to put racks on and which bags I can put on the bikes. And I want to start this probably March, April, or like basically summer season. I want to do lots of bike camping. I planned to do 20 nights under the stars. This is going to be, yeah, very exciting. So I want to go to very nice places, into the wood, the forest, and maybe we're also going to see some lakes, making some campfire, who knows. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So number one priority, bike restorations, I would say, until we get to April. Then I want to do bike camping and bike packing. And then I also want to organize group rides. So this is something I really wanted to do for a long time. I think I'm going to launch a Facebook group around the area where I live, which is Aachen or Aachen, if you know. It's in North Rhine-Westphalia in Germany, close to the Dutch border. Just want to have some fun, hang out with you guys if possible, and yeah, just enjoy riding bicycles. I will plan routes, mostly routes with mixed terrain for gravel bikes, so we have some fun. Maybe there will also be some road bike riders, but yeah, so this is what I'm up to on this channel: bike restorations, group rides, and also bike packing and bike camping. I'm very much looking forward to this year and whether I can do the 20 nights under the stars. I'm not sure, but this is definitely a goal which I want to do, and can't wait until we get April and the weather is getting a bit warmer and nicer. Leave me your comments down below if you want to see a specific kind of content on this channel. Who knows, there might also be some Formula 1 races on my sim racing setup that I'm gonna throw in just for fun, you know. But yeah, leave me your thoughts in the comments down below. And once again, thank you so much for tuning in, watching my videos, subscribing to the channel. And yeah, I will continue to make videos for you. So yeah, that's it for this video. And yeah, I hope you're looking forward to the content for 2021. And hopefully I will see all of you in the next video very soon. Peace out for now. Bye.